Let us explore the wonderful island of Camiguin, the island born of fire. Starting April 1, Sunlight Air will mainly operate in its new home, Clark International Airport. Flight duration from Clark to Camiguin is approximately 2 hours and 30 minutes. We explored Camiguin on our own. We rented a self-drive car from Jana Rent-A-Car, Camiguin. Daily rate is 1,600 pesos. Nouveau Resort is a luxury resort in Camiguin Island, located in the town of Mahinog, approximately 20-minute car ride from Camiguin Airport. Bistro del Sol is open for light snacks and coffee. Room price starts at 8,888 pesos per night at deluxe mountain view rooms for double occupancy with free breakfast. Breakfast is served at Mi, Flavors of Asia restaurant, from 6:30 to 10 in the morning. Good morning! Camiguin is famous for its chocolate drink locally known as sikwate. The Nouveau Infinity Pool is an extended Olympic-sized pool overlooking the ocean and facing the sunrise. The province of Camiguin is known to many as the home of the sweetest lanzones in the Philippines. Happy hours at Poolside Bar is from 4 to 6 in the evening. If you have an early island tour, you can request early breakfast from the hotel.
Evening. Thank you for the hospitality. Thank you, ma'am.
Staying at Nouveau Resort is a good choice when you are visiting Camiguin. Highly recommended. Balai sa Baibai is located in the town of Mambahaw. Okay lang, ganda. Good for ilan to, ma'am?
Yung price ng 85. Pero maka-accommodate siya ng extra bed.
Balai sa Baibai is a Visayan phrase that means house by the beach. Let us continue our adventure in Camiguin on my next videos. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.